Talia's ocean animal friends want to play. Can you copy all their amazing shapes? Sit with hands behind you and lift into crab pose. Take 2 careful sideways crab steps. Come into downward dog, our playful dolphin pose. Press the floor away and lift your hips. Lift one leg for 3-legged dolphin. Keep your hips steady, then carefully change fins. Lower to your tummy and lift your chest like a happy seal warming on a rock. Sit and lift your feet into boat pose. Hold your legs if that helps you balance on the waves. Fantastic ocean animals. Lower your feet, shake out your hands, and wave to your friends.